Hello there, beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephany. For today's video, I have a clean with me night edition. So this is the part 2 of the clean with me that I promised you guys on Wednesday. So I do hope that you guys enjoy this video. So let's get to cleaning. So as you guys can see, I'm actually removing all of the stuff out of the cubby that I actually worked on Wednesday because my new furniture piece came in and it did not fit in my room, like in the place that I wanted it to go, which was in the corner where you're about to see me put this cubby. It didn't fit by like half an inch. It was so annoying, but I decided to go ahead and move my cubby, drawer, shelf thing to that corner, and I decided to have it vertical instead of horizontal. So now I'm just here trying to rearrange things to make it look cute because this isn't how I envisioned it, but you know, we're gonna go with it. We're working with it. So this is just me rearranging things about 4 or 5 or 6 different times.
We've been in 2 places all at once. We said we'll come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't a song. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we close. I know whatever happens.
So here's a new furniture piece that didn't fit by half an inch. You're probably thinking, well, Stephany, didn't you measure it? Yes, I did, but apparently I cannot measure. So here I am just fixing this furniture piece. This is like a ladder shelf kind of a thing that I actually got on Amazon. I'll link it down below if you're interested. So here I am just rearranging things, putting all my trinkets and such on the shelf. I rearranged this a lot of times because I just wanted it to look aesthetically pleasing to my eye. I feel like overall I still have a lot to do with my room, but I actually like the way that this came out. I am happy with it. So I might add things here and there later, but for now I thought it came out really cute.
Dancing as one.
So this is the next night here. So I'm actually just taking everything out of my closet because I have a mess in my closet, like an organized mess, but still a mess. So I'm just pulling things out here. Oh my goodness, guys. So I have this Disney wand that actually have a story behind. So there was this guy at grad night a long time ago when I was graduating high school, and he actually gave it to me because he thought I was cute. And I was like, oh my goodness. Anyway, but every time I look at it, it makes me smile. So here I am, like I said, pulling everything out of my closet. As you guys can see, you're like, Stephany, is that really an organized mess? Yes, it is. So I'm just taking everything out because I had a drawer where I put the cubby that I wanted to stick inside of my closet just for extra drawer space. So here I am just organizing things inside of the drawer, folding clothes, etc., etc.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger. But don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. I'll stick like.
So here I am standing, crying, contemplating my life. No, I'm totally joking. So I decided to go ahead and figure out what I was going to get rid of. What was I going to donate? What was I going to throw away? So I had a lot of stuff in the closet. So here I am, you know, just trying to organize, declutter my life. But you know, decluttering is hard, guys, and it's really time consuming. I went ahead and tried my best to kind of organize everything again. I'm actually thinking of decluttering my bathroom next because I had a whole bag of stuff that was supposed to go in my bathroom. So I'm thinking of doing that next. Let me know down below if you want to see that. And then after that, I'm thinking I'm going to do my clothes, which is a monster in itself. So.
Got a free pass, oh. Try to hide it, but you had me from the get
Okay, you guys, I am just putting away last minute trinkets here, but everything was pretty much in a bag for the trash, in a bag to donate, in a bag for the bathroom. So this is the final look. I'm thinking of getting a carpet for the floor. I've always had carpets, but they've always gotten really dirty because of my dogs, but I'm thinking of getting one. But overall, I really like the way my room came out. Obviously, I still have room for improvement. I have things that I want to change. Hello, do you see that Ulta order right there? That's coming soon. So, Ulta haul.
Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time.
Okay, but that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumb up. If you liked me, please hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you and your amazingness here on my channel. Let's be friends. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me, and I really do hope that I get to see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful person.
All the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are.